Faith over fear. Fear is the silent enemy that steals your peace, your purpose, and your future. But God gave us a promise stronger than any fear. Do not be afraid, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Today, we're going to break down this powerful truth from Isaiah 41:10, and by the end of this video, you will see how faith can destroy fear forever. God's presence. Isaiah 41:10 begins with, "Do not be afraid, for I am with you." Notice, God doesn't say you won't face challenges. He doesn't say life will be easy. He says, I am with you. Fear grows in isolation. When we think we're alone, fear becomes overwhelming. But the moment we remember that the Creator of heaven and earth walks beside us, fear loses its power. David said in Psalm 23:4, "Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me." The presence of God doesn't always remove the storm, but it gives you peace in the middle of it. God's strength. Then God says, I will strengthen you and help you. Fear often whispers, you are too weak. But God answers, my strength is made perfect in your weakness. When you feel exhausted, when your spirit is crushed, that's when His strength becomes most visible. Paul wrote in Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This doesn't mean we will never feel weak. It means weakness is the doorway for God's power to enter. God's protection. The verse continues, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand, the right hand of light. God is a symbol of ultimate power and protection. It means nothing can touch you unless God allows it. In Psalm 91:4, it says, He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you will find refuge. His faithfulness will be your shield and rampart. Your fear may scream louder, but God's hand holds you steady. His protection is not fragile, it is eternal. Faith over fear. Fear is natural, but faith is supernatural. Fear looks at the problem. Faith looks at God. Every great figure in Scripture had to face fear. Moses before Pharaoh, Joshua before the walls of Jericho, David before Goliath. But every victory came, not from their own strength, but from their faith in the one who said, I am with you. The question is, will you let fear control your life, or will you let faith lead your steps? Final challenge. Isaiah 41:10 is not just words, it's a command and a promise. God says, do not be afraid. I am with you. I will strengthen you. I will uphold you. So here's my challenge. Whatever fear has been holding you back, fear of failure, fear of the future, fear of rejection, surrender it to God today. Speak this verse out loud, claim His promise, and step forward in faith. If this message touched you, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to. Hear it today, and remember, faith always wins over fear.